Well, today is resting day. It's bad winds to go west, and I thought about going this morning actually, but to tell the truth, I overslept. Fan gör man med den här då? För fan, tittar man på den? Ja, I overslept. And I couldn't sleep much this night. It was just... I can't put my finger on it. It was rocky with the tide, a lot of wind, and just the feeling. So I didn't sleep much. But anyway, I was ready. 6 o'clock tomorrow, up and away, and then you have like 3 or 4 hours with okay winds, not good but okay, and I might reach 2, maybe 3 islands and at least cross the border to the next country, but no, I overslept. I overslept hard. I woke up at the alarm, but it was just like no. At like 3 and 4 o'clock, I was really alert. I was just up and looking around, and I actually believed that I've been drifting. The anchor must have drifted away because it was so far to land. When I dropped the anchor, the GPS said 100 meters, but either it's really big birds here, or it wasn't 100 meters, but I took a chance because I knew the wind will keep up day after day, and the currents are, But at night, and I looked out, shit, this can't be right, but I took up the GPS and I said, no, I drifted like 30-40 meters, but that's just the current and the length of the chain. And then low tide, and finally you're just as close to the shore as you were. It was just, it fucks up your mind a bit. But anyway, it's a lot of wind. It's 14 meters a second now, and it's from west and southwest, and sometimes a little bit from the east. It goes like this, but it's no idea to go anywhere now. So I just wait. I'm now at day 3. Yesterday I got water and some LED lights. I bought LED lights from a Belgian guy with engine problem. He was towed in. Very nice man to talk with. It was fun to talk with him, and he had the coolest boat. It's like my dream boat in a way, because it's like the old wooden boats. How do you call it? Gaffelrig, and a boat built of the old style and type, and but it was built out of steel, so it looked like a wooden boat, but it actually was a steel boat with the hardness and how do you say, the trust of steel, but the beauty of a wooden boat. So I was very impressed, and he had all the. It wasn't the boat of itself, the type of boat. It was the details of it. Every little detail he had found, like all the how do you call this guy ones? The wind the wind entrance, the wind, ja, fan vet jag vad det heter det där skiten, men jävla vindsläppen. And he had built them in wooden parts, very beautiful, very stilrent, style, something pure style. And the mast, it was the one with not only one mast, but you had one on the top to, it's like a reef. You reef the mast in a way. And the compass, the rail, everything. He sent me a picture of it. I was supposed to take pictures of it and take a proper look, but in the end, I left kind of in a hurry. But it's a cool boat. Really cool boat. So I believe the next time I will look at the boat like that, because it's more imaginary. Boats like this, the modern boats, they sail fantastic. They are, of course, they are reliable and so on, but wooden boats and boats like that, it's art. It's more konstnärligt, vackert, beautiful. Most of all, I would like to try to sail them, because you sail them like old school pirates. It would be fun. I know it's easier to actually sail a boat like this. You know, you just reeve it with a line, and up and down, everything is very easy. It's safe and so on, but boats like that are awesome. Fuck, I would not mind crawl to the to the, how do you call it, the bow of the boat, and just raw power, get sails up, get sails down. You are there, you're doing it. It's exciting, it's cool, it's very cool. So that would be an experience to try. And it wasn't one of the bigger boats, so it wasn't a problem sailing it himself. He went from Belgium to Stavanger in Norway and back. And those boats are just you see all those modern boats, it's all the same. Everything it's a camping wagon, like a friend of mine said, a camping wagon on a boat, caravan, or I don't know how you say it in English. But those older types, they have a soul, a personality. Every one of those boats have personality. I like it. So my dream is to get one of those and start sailing it, and just really cool. But old and vintage, it's expensive. It costs money. I see all the details, and I know that it's passion money. You must love it to pay for it, because it costs. Boats costs, but vintage, that's even more. But it's awesome. I'm so impressed. Well, anyhow, tomorrow morning I will have one day of winds more from north. It's still western winds, but west northwest. So I will be able to do one tack and follow the islands all the way down to, I don't know, I don't remember the name of the islands, but and it's a bit fussy because Holland and Denmark, Germany, Holland, those countries, it's not deep, it's so shallow. It's not like Norway, Sweden. I mean, you can go anywhere. You just, if you step into the waters, it's a few steps and then you have water to here. And then down to, oh. But here it's fun. You have to follow the tides and learn the tides. And should I trust the map? Should I not trust the map? Is it, it's sand, it's not, like I see here, I see ferries going here. On the map it's just green, that means it's no water. But I talked to a man and he told me 160 depth. You can actually go to the next islands, but you have to follow the tides. I don't remember how it said, start 2 hours before high tide, and you must make sure you reach the island on high tides, or otherwise you're stuck and so on. But I don't dare to try it. I love testing and I take chances, but I prefer doing it at low tide. If I tired, this it might work. It's low tide. If it doesn't work, the high tide will push me out and I'm free. But to try something at high tide and get stuck, that will just be work and embarrassing, and things might break, and so I would love to do it, but to follow a local. They know how it is, how it works, this area. I don't know, should I follow the red line? Should I stay between red and green over there, or just follow the red or the green, or just the sticks at the side? The chart says sticks at the sides, but you never know. It's maybe not, because you don't have the depth on the chart. So that's a bit stressful. So I wait. I wait. Tomorrow will be a good day anyway. I will follow the tide out, and then boom shakalak, hopefully 6 to 8 knots all the way down, hopefully. But just sitting here waiting, it's one day, love it, it's relaxing, and but when the wind goes up like this and you don't really get good sleep, and it's always donk 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 like this, and then I'd rather sail. But I know it's to sail in a condition that is not very good. It just makes you tired, first of all. Second of all, it's stressful for the boat and the sails, and I'm sailing far now, so I must think about that. I try to keep it, because I usually love sailing when it's bad weather and bad condition, and try the boat and it's bang bang bang, and all of a sudden the sails, the lines, everything breaks. But you tried the limit, tried your and the boat's limit, and so on. But now it's a long trip. I don't want to go out when I know it will be hard for me and the boat, because all of a sudden, during a year of sailing, I will reach a day when it surprises me, and that's enough for me I can handle the surprises. I don't have to chase it. So, a little video of the anchor. The weather, that's not the best of. Fuck it, let's go out. This doesn't show too much. That island over there, I was sure last night I could throw a rock at it. But that's just the tide tricking you. Or no, you could probably throw a rock to it. But the tide has gone up. So last night, you see, the beach disappears and it's only the land in the end. And that's what surprised me a bit. Or fooled me a bit. Windmill Park over there, and that's the city. The marina is over there. You follow this, boys, red and green, and the map says it's very, very, very shallow, so you have to follow it during high tide down over there and into the marina. And all the shops, everything is very close by, and there was a little park there that was so... It was a beautiful little park. I believe it's at the children's school or something, and you had ducks and birds running around everywhere, even hares, no bunnies, and they are like this tiny now, just jumping around and around your feet. It was really fun. It was like, oh, see the seal? He's back again. Ah, there he is. Hey, hey, kompis. The day I got here, I was sweaty, ugly, and just smelled bad, so I heated up my little shower here and jumped in. That's my procedure to get clean. It's wash with this in salt water and then wash off with fresh water, and you're fine. And of course the tide and the streams makes it a bit boring because you have to hold on to the line to not get swooshed away. And even here it was strong current, so you're not able to swim far from the boat before you have to just try to swim for land, because you won't be strong enough to reach the boat again. So throw out the buoy and the line and it's fine. But anyway, I took my little bath and all of a sudden that little seal showed up. And I like it. It's fun because it feels like he is there to visit me. Oh, there he is again. Hey, Gavin. It's probably it's hundreds of seal on the islands behind there, but anyway, it feels like he came to give me a visit, like my little seal buddy here. But there he is again. Where is it, a duck? Ah, that's a duck. But I like the wildlife, and anything of it, it's fun, especially when you're alone over a Humans suck. Animals are more fun because we don't know much about them. So when they show up to pay a visit, I just turn back. Yes, hello, my best friend. So, wish I had some fish for you. If I had a big, how do you call it, a big freezer, I would just keep all the fish that I get up, and once I get visit from like dolphins or killer whales or seals, just to throw out some food for them just to make a body. It would be fun. But I have a small freezer, refrigerator. That's all the story I have to tell today. Norderney, by the way. That's the island I'm at. Or the city. That is Norderney. And I believe the island I'm at is Sylt or something. Anyway, it's just an island. Sylt is just a sandbank, and the island over there is some German holiday islands. They have windsurfing and hotels and stuff like that. It's a holiday island. I believe it's 2,000-3,000 inhabitants. Do you say it like that? But I hope to reach Holland tomorrow. I think I said that again earlier. I hope to reach Holland. But I never do. But tomorrow it's so close, so I should reach Holland tomorrow. Oh, not much video of sailing, but short story at least. Jesus, short. I've been talking for 22 minutes. Is that how it is, being alone on a boat and being bored? Oh. Do some better videos tomorrow, I hope. Oh. More sheep. Look. There is... The first thing I pointed at was maybe 50 seals at shore. They've been laying there for days now. They are not very stressed. And the other thing I pointed at was birds. Oh, they are also there all day and just sitting there, like me, just waiting for better days.